The overall goal of this practical guide is to describe the different steps for coupling a scanning mobility particle sizer to an inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometer and to explain how to use this analysis tool.
The SMPS-ICPMS instrumentation can help to answer questions in different environmental and technological applications, such as monitoring airborne or combustion-emitted particles. We can now characterize synthesized, engineered nano-objects and study their fate.
The main advantage of this coupling strategy is to gain information on the size and the chemical composition of particles simultaneously and online, with a time resolution of a few minutes.
Based on previous attempts to set up the SMPS-ICPMS combination, we started to develop this technique for various aerosol sources using a rotating disc diluter as the introduction system.
This visual demonstration describes the main step of the coupling strategy of the two instruments, as well as the different settings.
To couple the different instruments and to control the different gas flows, some modifications in the instrumental arrangements are needed. The main steps of the coupling concept are summarized here. Use conductive tubing with an inner diameter of 6.0 millimeters and an outer diameter of 12.0 millimeters to connect the different instrumental parts. Install the rotating disc diluter between the aerosol source and the differential mobility analyzer, or DMA, where the particle size classification takes place. Split the classified aerosol at the DMA outlet in two fractions. One will be